Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to log out of your account on Snapchat, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out your account on Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap your profile on the top left corner. And once you're on your profile, next, go to Settings. Once you're on Settings, I want you to scroll down to the bottom. And here at the bottom, you will now be able to see the logout option, so just go and tap it. And then Snapchat will ask you for confirmation if you really want to log out of your account. If you're sure that you want to, then just tap the logout button. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Snapchat account will now be logged out. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.